Hey there, it's Pete. Hey there, it's Pete. Hey there, it's Pete. Hey there, it's Pete. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day, and I want to welcome you to my office. God's really been good to us and blessed us with this properties. Now, one thing this place is lacking is a yard, okay? Let's go look at it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So would you call this yard bare dirt, fescue, chickweed, common Bermuda, that crap that comes up when you put straw down? Pretty bad water drainage issues right here. Look at this bad boy right here. Good gracious alive, look at that thing, man. Like something come out of a garden. There's a cinder block in this yard. Now I do know that somewhere right about here I'm going to end up putting a natural area. That natural area is going to have some plantings and some bushes and shrubs and trees and stuff. And of course, I'm going to put me up a fence right there. I'm going to convert this from the crap that you see it now into a highly maintained Bermuda turf grass that will be overseeded with rye in the fall. Yeah, I think that crazy guy in the beginning of the video, he needs to let his hair grow out a little longer and grow him a beard, right? Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And here you go. It's kind of hard for me to put into words the satisfaction that comes along with completing a project like this. I mean, I've really been working on this really hard for 2 seasons now, and you know, the objective was to make the front of my property more aesthetically pleasing, make it look good. I'd have to say I'm pretty satisfied with it, and I'm also content with it. You know, yeah, I'm missing my crepe myrtles. I got a crepe myrtle that's going to go there and there, but I'm super peculiar about that kind of stuff. And I really hadn't found the 2 that I really like, so when I get those, I'll plant them. My sign will be here tomorrow and get finished up with that. And other than that, it's pretty much a done deal. I mean, I'm happy with it. I mean, I pretty much poured my heart and soul into this. Been fortunate and blessed to, you know, have an income to where I can really go at it pretty much full speed, wide open, and really not cut no corners. And you know, I think it shows. I really think it's paid off big time. I'm absolutely pleased with the end result. Well, I wanted to add this in, but right there's the focal point. Look at there. Holy cow, that turned out some kind of good. Got the nice flower bed right there with some sun patience and angelonia. Got this really cool GCI Turf sign. And then when you go up, you see Old Glory. Look at that right there. I'm telling you what, I am tickled silly about this. I'm super pumped about this. I know I don't jump up and down a whole lot about much of nothing, but inside I'm kind of excited. And now I get the joy of coming out here and just kind of doing routine maintenance on it and taking care of it and feeding the turf and showing you videos on how to manage all this. And if you're new, this is actually Bermuda. I've got a little bit of Bermuda. It's all starting to wake up through the ryegrass. I can see it poking its little head up. So what's next? Well, moving forward, it's pretty simple. We're gonna leave the Bermuda alone. We're not gonna do anything different. I'm gonna manage both the warm season turf of Bermuda and the cool season turf, Kentucky bluegrass. I'm gonna keep them married, keep them together, and we're gonna manage that and grow this as a yard and see where it takes us. And then over here on this side, I know it looks really good right now, and it is some kind of soft to the touch, and it feels good, and it's cut down on a ½ an inch, and it just, I love this ryegrass look this time of the year. But we're going to chemically take it out with a herbicide and smoke off this side right here with the ryegrass, and we'll video that next. Probably the next video out here, we're going to smoke this off. And so this side over here is going to look kind of rough. It's going to look yucky for a minute, but then as the rye is going away, the Bermuda is going to fill in. So that's right around the corner. I'll be showing you that here pretty soon. So I know a lot of you's been following me for the past, a year and a half, almost 2 years of working on this. I hope you've enjoyed the whole process. I hope you've learned a thing or two. And that's kind of the end of the day. You know, I want to share my knowledge and what I know about growing turf and that kind of thing. And somewhere along the way, I hope you picked up something and learned something. Hey, for all you Bermuda grass lovers, my Bermuda grass renovation guide is 100% complete. And my Bermuda grass lawn care guide is 100% complete. I actually got in a little combo package on the website to save a few bucks. And if you're interested in having a really nice high-end Bermuda yard, yeah, you can go back through the past year and a half, 2 years of videos and try to piece it all together and, you know, figure out something like this. But that guide is step by step details. I mean, down to every last little tiny detail. And it will coach you through from start to finish so you can have a Bermuda grass yard that you can be proud of. If you're interested in something like that, I'll link it up in the description below. It'll be there if you want to check it out. Say, like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies that Pete got the renovation complete. Tell them to come on back and we'll do a lot of other work out here. You know, something else I got to do is level this bad boy with sand. So by the time I spray this and kill off this rye, during that transition, I'll bring some sand out here and show you how I level it up and kind of really fine tune the smoothness of it. A perfect example is where the irrigation head's at, you know, maybe settled a little bit like that. So it's not a whole lot of super leveling I got to do, a little bit here and there, but I'll show you how I do that. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll get back out here on a future video and get back to work. Appreciate you watching. I'll check you later.